Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to learn how to gather the information that we need, the parameters that we need to connect our DocuSign integration app to DocuSign. So in order to do that, the first step will be to go to the DocuSign setup page. And as you can see here, we have different options. So the first one being the DocuSign parameter. There are a few parameters that will already be filled in when you install the app, specifically the developer URL, the the production environment, the API version, and the base URI will be filled in automatically once you use it the first time. But the two parameters that we are going to need for sure are the user ID and the API account ID. How can we get those and where do we get those? In order to do that, we'll have to navigate to our DocuSign admin page within our DocuSign account. And once we open that in the apps and keys settings, we are going to find the user ID and the API account ID. And we can copy both of these and paste them in the two fields right here. The other parameter that we are going to need is the private XML RSA key. This will be given once you activate the product and you have registered it with NAV SEAL. We'll be sending you this key. This value needs to be kept private, needs to be pasted within this field and not shared with anyone. This is basically your activation key that you need in order to communicate with our integration. Once you have all of these three parameters, you are ready to activate your app. You can see here that we have already done that. But if you haven't done that yet, make sure you check out the other video in which we explain all the steps to do that.